Capstone Assignment 3. The region of Chile that is affected by climate change, and more specifically ocean acidification, is the island group known as the Lesser Antilles in the Caribbean region. Lesser Antilles is part of a larger island group of the Antilles, and ocean acidification poses a significant threat to these islands and the surrounding marine ecosystems. The reason this threat is so real is because it does not just affect the marine ecosystems, but also the island's geography and socioeconomic functions of the island itself. These islands are specifically vulnerable due to their geography. Many of the islands in the Lesser Antilles have coral reefs off their coast. Ocean acidification has a very negative impact on these reefs. It damages the structural integrity of the reefs. Without the reefs, these islands are more susceptible to wave action and therefore increased erosion rates. Now, the lack of reefs also leads to socioeconomic issues for the island's inhabitants. Many of these islands' nations' economies primarily rely on tourism and fisheries. We saw this happen during the COVID outbreak. A sharp decrease in tourism took a large toll on the island's economies. If the issue of ocean acidification in these regions are not addressed, it could possibly lead to not only economic downturn and or collapse in these regions, but also irreversible damage to the marine ecosystem of the Lesser Antilles. There are no specific plans to increase the rate of ocean acidification that just solely address the Caribbean region. However, many of the plans call on cutting fossil fuel usage by finding and using clean alternative energies, and also educate those who are not knowledgeable on the topic.